Hey young artists, I wanted to do a quick video for my portrait drawing student, and this is for a watercolor mixed media project. So I wanted to make sure I had a video for how to transfer an image to your watercolor paper. So watercolor paper does not like to be agitated, so it's always best to have a drawing done ahead of time on sketch paper, or if you just want to print directly from a computer printer, you could definitely do that. All you have to do is just put graphite on the back of the paper, and I just use regular HB pencil, and I pretty much just hatching lines, or you could say shaded some lines of graphite. You just need to get the graphite down on the back. So as you can see here, I'm showing you what I exactly did with my graphite pencil, and once again, it was an HB pencil. So if you have an HB pencil, this is pretty easy. Those of you guys that may have, I think it's like tracing paper, which is graphite paper, you can definitely buy that, and you can use that in between like a sandwich. So you have your print, you have the graphite paper in between, and then you have your watercolor paper. So I was quickly showing you what I did with my pencil as far as getting my graphite down. I had another sheet of paper under that paper, that way I don't get my watercolor paper dirty. So I'm going to register my paper, register my photo, not my paper. I am going to register with some tape, and I'm just going to put a little bit of tape at the top of my paper. I am going to use a ballpoint pen, so I'm going to show you what type of ballpoint pen that I'm going to use, and it's pretty much just a red pen. Typically you want to make sure you have a different color pen when you are tracing or transferring the image over to your watercolor paper. So this is where I'm registering my paper to my watercolor paper with tape. That is my red pen that's there, and I'm going to go ahead and just transfer over my image, and I'm going to try and get my form as much as I can for the face. I want to make sure I get in all the important highlights, my bridge, which is like a darker mid-tone, my shadow edges, my cast shadow. So I'm just going to trace over pretty much everything that I need as far as important information. And you guys, I think that is it. Once I'm done, I probably will pop back in, because I am going to put a 3/4 inch of a border around the image with a ruler. And I may pop back in or not. If not, I will see you guys in the next video if I don't.